Hi Ryan, Nazar. Hi Ryan. Adam. See, this is the plane Papa is flying from United States SFO to Singapore. And I'll see you soon, both of you. You see, Ryan, you see the big aeroplane. And this is a United aeroplane. That's a small helicopter flying on top. You see how many planes? Yes. And those are the luggage carrier trolleys, and that loads the stuff, the bags, everything into the plane. And that was food truck, Gate Group food truck. So, yep. So you see the plane? Wow, so big, huh? Ryan like the plane? Ryan want to buy the plane? Ryan need to work and buy the plane. He's a very smart boy. You both are very good boys, okay? Papa love you so much. And this is the plane, Papa, coming soon. See you. I love you. I love you. And yes, I love you, my wife too. Bye. NASA NASCAR. No, Singapore as well as US. Bye. Ryan, see the plane? Big plane. Show me any.